Good morning, everybody! Another day, another vlogs. I'm with Aliyah here. Say hi, Aliyah. So, Aliyah is not in the nursery today kasi every Monday she's with me until December. But today they have a photo shoot at the nursery. What are you eating? So, meron silang photo shoot. So, Mommy decided to go kahit hindi siya pupunta sa nursery today. So, merong outfit dito si Aliyah. Since near Christmas, I thought to have Aliyah a Christmas-themed photo shoot. So, meron tayo ditong dress, tartan, tights, black shoes, and vest, fur vest. So, halika guys, samahan nyo ako na damitan si Aliyah today. Come anak. Come. Right. Ilagay na natin yung dress niya. Halika. Ito si Ate Lady, oh. She's watching. Come on, darling. Stand up. 1, 2, 3. Right. Naglalaro siya. Come. So, first time namin to sa nursery na magkaroon ng photo shoot. But apparently, it's a thing. Every year, I think. Come on. Itong dress niya, I got it from H&M for, naka-sale. So, binili ko na. Mag-isa na lang to eh. Parang naiwan ata to last year. Kasi 5 pounds na lang siya eh. Wow, very nice dress, Aliyah. Can you show the guys? What are you up to? What are you up to? Oh, yung lipstick ni Mommy. Okay, fine. Right, medyo malaki kasi 12 to 18 months ata to. Yan. Very nice. Okay, meron tong belt eh. Ayun o, ang cute. You know guys, it was my dream na magkaroon ng baby girl. Because, gusto ko yung mga dinadamitan sila, ganun. Parang Barbie. Anyway, your mommy's little Barbie, whether you like it or not. Yeah? Yes? Ayun lang. Hindi alam ni Mami paano ilagay yung belt. Ay, Diyos mio. Hindi marunong ang nanay. Ganun ba? Ayun. Okay, fine. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's put your tights on, anak. White yung tights na napili ko. Meron siyang red tights, but I think white is goes better with this than black shoes. Right, let's put your tights first, please. Listen to Mommy. Guys, tingnan niyo naman yung aso ko. She's so sweet. Ayun siya, si Lady. Naglalambing. Sabi niya, iwan mo na naman ako, Mama. Anyway, likot na ng toddler natin, guys. So, paano nga to? Ano ba yan? Pati si Mami hindi marunong maglagay ng belt. Ano ba yun, anak? Paano ba to? Wala! Dito tayo magtatagal, anak, eh, sa belt. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Right, anyway, let's put your fur coat. Ayan. Very nice. Fur ang datingan. Okay. Ay, don't remove, that's your bow to the bed. Hirap guys magbihis ng bata. Lalo na pag malikot na sila. Oh, your vest is big. Very good naman si Aliyah. She's helping mommy. Are you brushing your hair? Can you look at mom? Can you look at mommy? Thank you. Right, stand there. Oh, sit there, sit. Stay. Okay? Stay. Mommy has to do this. But mommy doesn't know how. Dito tayo magtatagal, anak eh. Sa belt na to eh. Ano ba to? Oh, God. Mommy doesn't even know how. How to do the belt. Siguro igaganto mo, no? Ibabalik mo siya. Ayan. Ayun. Parang ganon. Anyway. I don't know. Really. Ay, inon niya yung TV, guys. Saan yung isa mong shoes? Where's your other shoes? Ito na siya, guys. Nadamitan na natin si Aliyah. Pero busy siya manood. Aliyah, look here. Aliyah. Gosh, guys, ready na si Aliyah for her nursery photo shoot. Oh my God! Look at you. Aliyah, say hi. Aliyah, say hi. Look at her, guys. Oh. Guys, we're going out. So, yung photoshoot ni Aliyah is sa nursery. So, sila yung nag-organize ng photographer. So, hindi ako. So, pupunta lang kami doon para magkaroon ng photoshoot in time for Christmas. Ayan. Anyway, yun lang yung gagawin namin. And I think I go to town kasi meron lang akong kukuning mga bagay-bagay doon sa post office. Tsaka Christmas card. Ayun. I'm doing my yearly tradition, guys, na mag-send ng Christmas cards sa mga taong special but they are away from us. So, yun. Anyway, look. Cute. Aliyah! Hi! Say hi! Siguro ito. White. This one. No. This three. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Time check is 1:20 ng hapon. Tapos na yung photoshoot ni Aliyah. It was so quick, guys. It was like 10 minutes lang. And then, nagpunta kami sa town ni Aliyah dahil, anong tawag dito? I had to buy like yung stamp for yung mga Christmas cards na ipapadala namin. Aliyah, ayun pala si Aliyah. Oh, she's eating her snacks. She's eating her, what do you call this, guys? cheese. So now I'm gonna cook her lunch. A quick lunch. Mabilis ang kain. Kasi gutom na yan, guys. Nag-ano lang siya kanina. She just had to have the biscuit. Pero, hindi pa siya kumain ng proper food. Kaya, lutuan na natin siya. Bigyan ko nga si Aliyah ng avocado. Matagal na siyang hindi kumain ng avocado. Ayan. Lutuan ko siya ng scrambled egg. Aliyah is eating her lunch. So, recently guys, she learned how to use her cutleries, yung spoon and fork. So, she's 14 months, but she knows how to use her cutlery. So, scoop. Good job. So, ewan ko kung tinuturo nila sa nursery. Pero, kagabi, spoon and fork gamit niya. Kaliwaan. Right, yeah. But today, she's got 2 fork.
Yeah.
One on the other side. That's it. Kanina guys, dun sa photoshoot niya, hindi ko na pala na-share sa inyo. Hindi siya ngumingiti. She didn't smile. Siguro, ganun lang. Pero hindi yung... Ito, meron akong isa dito. Nakangiti siya. Ayan. So, makukuha namin yung photo in 2 weeks time. Hindi ko rin nabanggit sa inyo si Daddy. Ang aga niyang umalis. 10 to 6 umalis na siya. Kasi pumunta sila dun sa main office nila. 3 hours guys yung kanyang travel. So, umalis siya, tulog pa kami ni Aliyah. Hindi ko nga namalayan na umalis na siya. Oh. Good job. So, I'm just gonna do a quick haul, guys. So, pumunta ako kanina sa Primark and sa Marks and Spencer's, saka doon sa card shop. So, first, binili ko sa Marks and Spencer's is ito, thermal vest. Kasi guys, malamig na ngayon ang panahon. And I really need something to keep me warm, lalo na sa work. Kapag lumalabas, ito, I always have a thermal vest. So, dalawa tong nabili ko, guys. Isang black, saka isang gray. So, actually, dalawa yung ganito ko. May isa pa ako na black. Pang alternate. Ayan. So, kunyari malamig na malamig sa labas, talagang this is your thermal vest. Second is, I bought Christmas cards. I want to be organized this year, guys. Sinabi ko na kay Andy in terms of Christmas cards, in terms of gifts. Sabi ko kay Andy, I want to be organized. Ayoko last minute. Kasi ang asawa ko, guys, lahat yan, kahit yung mga Christmas gift namin, lahat yan last minute. Sabi ko, no. Anyway, nakalang siya dito. Ayan. Ito, binili ko for my desk. For my, sa work. Lalagay ko dun sa aking computer desk. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang since I'm back at work. Maglagay tayo ng Christmassy. So, 7 pounds to. Pero ito, magagamit ko to years and years. Alam ko. That would always be my decoration sa aking desk. Binalhan ko din yung sarili ko ng magandang lingerie. I think I deserve it. Medyo yung ano naman, magandang bra at saka panty. Ba mga mami, mamsi dyan, huwag natin kalimutan ang sarili natin, no? Kahit mami tayo. Oh, kumusta naman yan? Pumili rin ako ng pajama. Naka-sale naman siya. So, binili ko na. Tsaka malambot. For those days na, you know, we need a nice pajama. Bumili rin ako ng Christmas cup ko for work. Ayan. Ilalagay ko yun sa work. And then, for the house, bumili na naman ako ng tea towel. Para sa kusina. Ayan. Yung mga ganun, tea towel. Ayan. Okay, lady. Mommy can hear you. And then, lastly, binili ko yung top na red for Christmas. Maganda kasi siya. Kasi ganito siya, oh. Natatakpan yung, ano ko, chan. So, binili ko na. Hi, guys. Look at my drawing. You say, look at my drawing. Show the guys your drawing. Yeah. There's your pen. Wanna hold it? Oh, wanna hold it? Other way. No! This way. Oh. Okay. Hold and draw. No. Okay. Kinain niya, guys. Ipra-practice pa rin si Aliyah. Sige, it's alright. Come on then. Good girl. What's up? Hmm? Do you want it there? Jumperoo? You want in your jumperoo? Yeah. She wants to stay in her jumperoo. Okay. You don't want to ride anymore. To make this. I've never played on this for a long time. 1, 2, and 3. Frog. Frog. Ribbit. Ribbit. Jumpy. 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 Uy. Jump. Yan na. Jump. Jump. Yan na. Uy.